In this tutorial, I will explain how you can earn toasts, as well as tell you how you can give them to other players in MultiVersus. Toast is an in-game currency that you can give to other players after an online match. To earn these, you simply have to log into your account in MultiVersus. You will be able to earn 5 toasts daily by doing so. In order to give a toast, finish a match and then decline to have another one with the other player. Afterwards, you should find the toast option underneath their username in the results screen. You can find the number of toasts you have on the top right corner. By toasting another player, you will be giving them fighter currency. This is used for unlocking playable characters. So you can potentially exchange toasts with another willing player in order to boost both of your fighter currency. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.